Hey, what's up techno producers? If you are looking for that fat and punchy drum sound, watch this video because we're diving into drum bus processing for techno. In the previous tutorial, we EQ'd and compressed the bass line, and today I'll show you how to use Presswerk and Ozone together to set up this insane plugin chain for punchier and more powerful beats from the very beginning of your production. I only added 4 drum elements: kick, percussion, clap, and hi-hats, but see for yourself how this plugin chain brings warmth, character, and punch to this drum bus. Pretty cool, right? And if you stick around until the end of this tutorial, you will learn 2 essential tips to nail your bass and drum mix and start your piece with that perfect low end. So first up is Neutron 4 equalizer. Add a high pass at 40 Hz and a low pass at 18 kHz, both with a 24 dB slope. Adjust the input level to get a -8 dB on the drum bus. We'll cut any unwanted frequencies before we compress. Next, we'll use Presswerk to glue the drum elements together and control the dynamics. Go to Presets, Bus Groups, and select Subtle, Adhesive, and compress 1 dB. Let's A/B for comparison. We'll use Presswerk again for parallel compression to add extra weight and power to the drums. Go to Presets, Bus Groups, and select Drum Fattener and compress 4 to 5 dB. Since Presswerk has a mix knob, you don't need to set up a send from the drum bus to a separate aux channel. You can blend the compressed signal with the original. Let's A/B again to see the difference. Now it's time to add Ozone to this drum bus, and the first module is Exciter. Subtle saturation will add warmth and character to your drums. To emulate the sound of analog gear, go to Presets and select Tape Presence. The second module is Vintage EQ to shape the overall tonal balance of your drum bus. Cut any unwanted frequencies and boost the ones that defines the character of your drums. And finally, we'll use Vintage Limiter to catch peaks and get that extra loudness. Go to Presets, select Catch Peaks, set the ceiling to -8 dB and the threshold a little lower. Before we wrap up, I've got 2 tips for you. Match the peak output level of your audio signal pre and post compressor. You saw my level was -8 dB during the whole process, and this is how you can clearly listen to what compressors do. Last but not least, in my deeper bass tutorial, I compressed my bassline 1 dB, and it felt like it didn't make much difference at that time. But now that we have our drum bus all set, you'll see how necessary it is. And from this point forward, you can start working on arrangements. If you enjoyed this video, comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.